Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly game-changing, building your very own AI agent to automate your reporting. And the best part, we're doing it all with zero code. That's right. You don't need to be a programmer to build a powerful AI assistant that saves you hours of work every single week. Imagine this. Instead of spending your Monday mornings pulling data from different sources, wrangling spreadsheets, and manually compiling reports, you just get a perfectly formatted summary delivered straight to your inbox. That's not science fiction. It's what we're going to build today. This is perfect for business owners, marketing managers, data analysts, or anyone who's tired of the repetitive grind of reporting. By the end of this video, you'll have a functional AI agent ready to go. So, what exactly is a no-code AI agent? Think of it as a smart assistant that you can teach to perform tasks without writing any programming language. So we'll be using a user-friendly platform that has a visual drag-and-drop interface. These agents can connect to various data sources like Google Analytics, your CRM, social media platforms, or even simple Google Sheets. They can then understand your instructions in plain English, process the data, and generate reports based on your specific needs. It's all about making artificial intelligence accessible to everyone. When it comes to building your own AI agent, there are several excellent platforms to choose from. Three of the most popular and powerful options are zapiermake.com and N8N. Zapier is known for its simplicity and vast library of app integrations, making it perfect for beginners. Make.com offers more advanced logic and a visual workflow builder. For those who prefer self-hosting and more technical control, N8N is a fantastic open-source option. The concepts we cover can be applied to any of these platforms. First things first, let's talk about the tools we'll be using. I've tested all of the no-code platforms I just mentioned. And for this tutorial, we'll be using any of these fantastic ones that's both powerful and intuitive for beginners. I'll walk you through the sign-up process and give you a quick tour of the dashboard so you feel right at home. We'll cover where to find the key features, how to create a new project, and what the main building blocks are. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. The goal here is to get you comfortable with the environment before we start building. Okay, let's lay the groundwork for our project. Before we even touch the tool, we need a clear plan. What report do we want to automate? For this tutorial, let's create a weekly social media performance report. We need to define our key metrics, things like follower growth, engagement rate, top performing posts, and click-through rates. It's crucial to know exactly what you want to measure. The more specific you are, the more effective your AI agent will be. So, grab a piece of paper or open a doc and jot down the 3 to 5 most important metrics for your weekly report. This simple step will be our blueprint. Now for the fun part, connecting our data sources. Our AI agent needs access to the data to create the report. I'll show you how to securely connect your social media accounts, let's say Instagram and Twitter, to the no-code platform. This process is usually as simple as logging in and authorizing access. We'll also connect a Google Sheet where we might be tracking some campaign-specific data. The platform we're using has pre-built integrations for hundreds of apps, making this step a breeze. We'll verify that the connection is active and that the data is flowing correctly. This is the foundation of our entire automation. With our data connected, it's time to build the agent's workflow. This is where we tell our AI what to do, step by step. We'll start by creating a new workflow or scenario. Think of it as a flowchart. Our first step will be a trigger. We want this report to run automatically every Monday at 9 a.m. So we'll set up a schedule trigger. Easy enough. Next, we'll add an action block to fetch the data. We'll tell the agent to pull the follower count from Instagram, the engagement stats from Twitter, and so on for all the metrics we defined earlier. I'll guide you through configuring each block, showing you how to select the right data points without any code. Once our agent has gathered all the raw data, it's not yet in a report-friendly format. This is where the smarts of the AI come in. we'll add a step that uses a built-in AI model to process this information. We can give it a prompt in plain English. Something like, summarize the following data into a weekly performance report. Calculate the week-over-week percentage change for follower growth and engagement rate. Identify the top-performing post based on likes and comments. Present this in a clean, easy-to-read format with bullet points. You'll be amazed at how well it understands and executes these instructions. We are literally telling the AI how to think and what to write. Now that the AI has generated the report content, we need to deliver it. The final step in our workflow is the delivery action. We can have the report sent to us in an email, posted to a Slack channel, or even saved as a new row in a Google Sheet. For this example, we'll set up an email delivery. I'll show you how to configure the email block. Customizing the subject line to something like your weekly social media report is ready, and mapping the AI-generated summary into the body of the email. We can even attach a PDF if the platform supports it. This completes our end-to-end automation. Before we set our agent loose, we must test it. All great builders test their creations. The platform has a test run button that allows us to execute the workflow once to make sure everything works as expected. We'll click it and watch the magic happen. We can see the data being pulled, the AI processing it, and then boom. A test email should land in our inbox. We'll open it and review the report. Does it look right? Is the data accurate? Are the calculations correct? If anything is off, we can easily go back and tweak our prompts or data mapping. This iterative process of testing and refining is key to building a reliable agent. And there you have it. In just a few steps, we've built a fully automated AI reporting agent without writing a single line of code. This agent will now work for you 24/7, saving you time and ensuring you always have the latest insights at your fingertips. The possibilities here are endless. You could adapt this process to automate sales reports, website traffic analysis, customer support summaries, inventory tracking, you name it. If there's data and a repetitive reporting process, you can probably automate it. I encourage you to take what you've learned today and apply it to your own work. Start with one simple report that causes you a lot of manual effort and see if you can automate it. The initial setup might take a little time, but the long-term payoff is huge. You're not just saving time, you're freeing up your mental energy to focus on more strategic, creative tasks that actually move the needle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel empowered to build your own AI agents. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on AI, automation, and no-code tools. If you have any questions or build something cool, share it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you create. Until next time, happy building.